As y'all can see, Sighted was asleep when I left. So I'm on my way to the gym right now. This is one of the perks for living in a hotel, how quick I can get here. It's early, so I may be the only one here. So let's see. I think it's about 6:15, yeah, around something like that. So we're about to get in early this morning. Hey, I don't like to film other people. That's why I turn the video off. People out here working. As you can see, I'm the only one in here. That doesn't stop me though, so I'm getting too old to stop now. So this is a nice view early in the morning. I'm about to get at it, and then I'll get back with you in a little bit. Look who decided to finally get up and join me in the gym. When the sun already up.
It was dark in here when we came here.
Because of what?
It was dark in here when we came here.
Yeah, it was dark in here. You know, I'm coming here in the daylight.
Oh, yeah.
I was finished already. I decided to wait on her. You done? Okay. Time to take a shower, eat breakfast. Okay. One of the reasons we stay here is because the time it takes to get to the room. This time I'll try to do it. Film the whole way that way. Okay. People can kind of really see how much time it saves going to the gym every day. I like this little area here, but it's not open, so one day they'll open up down there. Okay. Okay. So far as what, been 40 something seconds.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. Okay, no editing, right? So far it's been a minute and a half. Okay. Oh yeah, I already know that. Oh yeah. That's it, we here. So,
Home sweet home.
2 minutes. All right, we're about to go to breakfast. As you can see, the traffic's already kind of starting up down here near Sariq Center. That's where we are. I'm waiting on site as usual. I'm hungry as a mug, but luckily breakfast is only 2 minutes away. So when we get up there, we'll show you kind of what we normally eat in the mornings, which is another perk of being here. All right, y'all. I finished my food. I forgot. I don't normally vlog. So, man, I killed my food. There's nothing left. A few sausages and a potato. Decided went and got some dessert breakfast.
But I ate breakfast.
Yeah, you ate breakfast too, but
I had an egg omelet with cheese, peppers, and mushrooms, and sausages.
yeah, I wish I could show it to him. But I ate it all.
I know.
Maybe
we
another
hungry.
day.
After the gym, we were hungry.
Well,
get better with vlogging.
Well, y'all, breakfast was good, so I wanted to show it to you, but it's too late. But still, it's a reason why we are staying here still. It just makes everything a lot easier, and we don't have to clean up afterwards.
True. We'll just go back, start filming for the day, making videos.
Yep, and other stuff. All right. We got this foosball table. We'll never use that.
PlayStation or Xbox over in
I never noticed it.
No, this is new.
Okay.
PlayStation. You can come and sit here and play.
Y'all can see this, right? They got a PlayStation here or Xbox. No, it's a PlayStation.
PlayStation because we don't.
Right. So, if we wanted to come here, yeah.
We can come play the game.
We don't ever use this. We had a game, but we don't use it. We sold it. Got a pool table. So even if you wanted to come visit, it's still worth it. Now, you from America, the only problem is you better know soccer or cricket, because that's all the sports that's on television. But, yep. And the pool is up there.
You want to go there?
No problem. Now I'm just going this little deck here. We don't never. We got this little area here we don't ever really use. Also, if you just want to come outside, well, you're not really outside, but an outside field. You're sort of outside. This has a roof over it, so pool's right here. I'll go to the pool. Huh? Grilled salmon salad? Okay. It's always too cold to get in the pool in Nairobi. It looks good, but it's not really functional for us. Oh, the gym is down here too. I don't feel like walking down the stairs, but it's one flight down, so I'm not going down there. Yeah, ready to go to the room? Okay. Yeah, brush my teeth. Get started on the day. We've been behind.
Must be pulling something up with that thing.
This is our kitchen slash workstation slash dining room table. There's our fridge right here, dishwasher right there. Now you stay in a hotel, man. It just makes things a lot more convenient. It's super quiet in here. Like when we filming, we're gonna film in a few minutes. I'm gonna pull this thing here out so we can get right. That's about it, man. That's all we do all day, work. Today has actually been kind of relaxing, just to be honest with you. We didn't have class today, so but this is why we stay in a hotel, man. It's just super convenient. You rather stay in a hotel side or apartment at this point?
For now, hotel.
It's just easy, right?
Just more convenient.
And it had an oven. We still got dishes in the sink from yesterday, and they'll clean that up if we ask them to. Well, we ain't gotta ask them, they'll just start doing it. Sometimes we'll say not clean it up because I just don't wanna seem super lazy. I don't wanna get into that, but yeah. But it's super convenient, man. For our life, it's normally pretty busy. And even if you come in to visit, right, for 2 weeks, staying in a hotel, especially when we're at, it's just so convenient. You can be self-contained. You don't feel like going outside. You can be part of the action. The action is right down there, but we can't even hear anything. We don't hear any horns or anything, so.
And you don't have to like furnish anything.
Yeah, you don't have to furnish anything. And this is quality furniture too.
And you just move in. And then you just let it slide.
Right. I don't have to buy a television.
No, nothing.
There's another one in the room. So
You just come and start life.
it's an extra cost to it, of course, but if you can, it just saves a lot of time, man. Just to be honest with you. We don't have to leave here. We don't want to ever. Because the grocery store is right across the street. We can order it. They got all kind of, like we said, restaurants in Surrey. It's like, man, self-contained really. But, you know, we get amongst the people, though. We can't stay here. We just let you know we got an option to.
We spend a lot of time here because
We do, because of work.
We film a lot of content.
The filming, the market, all kind of stuff, yeah.
Editing, studying the market, class,
Yeah.
all that stuff.
So, and we need to be close to everything. So that's why we don't leave outside of Nairobi either. We just got a lot of stuff going on. And plus we like my friends say, the vibe of it. Like the hustle of it. You gotta move around in Nairobi. You can't just sit still. This is
it's not like the village life we
yeah.
I mean,
Nah, this is no poor here. You see this traffic. And plus this traffic is really not bad right now. It's just a lot of it, but it's still not bad. But as you can see, if you hadn't been to Kenya before, red lights are not a must here. So, but it's a lovely city, man. That's why we kind of chose it to make our home base. A lot of stuff going on here. And man, we're about to sign off. You know, we don't really do the vlogging thing like that, but we just want to give you a little insight into our life and why we live at a hotel. All right, y'all. Bye.